everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be setting up something that I am so excited about and I ordered a while ago, but the on-the-go folio. So if you do not know what that is, it is an Erin Condren basically travel system that and it comes in this nice little dust ruffle, which I just love. I just thought that was really neat. But that you can pick little planners, petite planners to put in and kind of customize it and make it your own, ready to go for on-the-go travel. And I am very excited to set mine up today. So if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad you are here with me today. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the on-the-go folio is, again, this is the cover portion to fit the petite planners, which are sized appropriately for this, but you buy these independently and then you can customize it and put what planners you want in there and change as you go. There is 4 spots in the folio for planners. I don't know that you could make another spot, but I think it'd probably be pretty thick by that point in time anyways. So, and I had this customized, which is one of my favorite things about Erin Condren is their customization options. But I had this personalized with Meg, short for Megan. I didn't really like the idea of initials. It just seemed very stark to me, and I'm just like, so Meg. I tried to add an exclamation point, but apparently they don't do special characters, so they made me change that. But, all right, now, inside of the folio, I have purchased the budget book, the gratitude journal, and the wellness log. And there's another one that I will be using in the surprise box. I will be getting that one out too because I know that it has one in there. So what I love is I did look through this already a little bit because I was really excited about it, but the wellness log is, I don't know how many months it actually goes, but I love the beginning portion because it has this like starting weight, date, clothing size, waist tips, like anything you want to track. Then it kind of tells you a little brief excerpt about like how to set goals and the best way to achieve your goals. And then it just gets right into it and has a meal log. It has habits, it has water intake steps, hours slept, and then it has activity if you did anything, and then you just write the weeks in at the top. So super excited about this, and I've been wanting a better system for it, one that's kind of already ready. So in the back of each petite planner, you get a little sticker sheet, and then it has a little pocket folder as well. So I am going to flip to the middle of this. I don't know the technical best way to do this since this is like new to me, but I'm guessing it is just the middle line probably. I'm guessing. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing that way wrong. Maybe like that's not the way you do it, but that's the way I'm doing it for right now. And then I also got the gratitude journal, which it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just a gratitude journal that you have different things that you can be thankful for, and it just kind of prompts you with them. And it just changes colors every day, so you can go write things down. It has date lines by every day, so if you don't necessarily want to, you don't have to answer these questions for every single day, but just things that, if you want to take a moment to be grateful, I really just feel like it's kind of neat to have this in there. So I also am using the 5-minute journal for gratitude, but I feel like it is extra special. And again, same idea, you get stickers in the back with a nice little cute little pocket folder ready for you. Right. Yeah, I was wanting, I really have missed my mini happy planner. I feel like maybe you tighten them. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing this all wrong, guys. I will update you if I am. Oh. But I really had missed my mini because I liked having it available to me. But then again, I just didn't really use it for the same type of things. And this I really feel like super functional because I needed something on the go. So this is the budget book. And I actually use their monthly planner for my budgeting, which I have loved. It's kind of just simpler and easier to follow for me. And so that's kind of why I've loved it. But this is going to be for on the go travel and keeping an eye on things as I'm out and about. It's pretty self-explanatory. Again, it'll be really nice to have like pen and paper to it. The only negative that I can say off the top of my head without looking at things is it doesn't appear to have a pen loop, which is somewhat, I don't want to say disappointing, but that is something that I'll definitely need to have. So once the planners are in, probably could tighten up the slack on the other ones is probably what I need to do, and tighten those and adjust them. So I will work on getting that taken care of. But once they're in, you just kind of it holds the four, so you just kind of close it like a book and then wrap around it. And then there you go. It's like ready to go for, it holds four. There definitely is enough room probably to put more than four in here as far as like the thickness of the ability to hold more than 3 or 4 covering wise, but it wouldn't, you don't have the strings available for them. So you'd have to like double string it or just kind of stuff it in there. But super cute, keeping them safe and sound. And then you can kind of, like I said, customize it based on which ones you want to order. They also have blank ones, so you can let your heart be your guide and figure out what you want to do. But I'm really excited about this, especially for the wellness one. It's been something I've had my eye on for a little while, and I was using my Happy Planner for all of those, but I wanted something a little bit more on the go with me that I could take with me and track other things. There's a huge fly that just flew by. Gigantic. Oh my gosh, it's like gonna attack me. All right, well, yes, so I was very excited about this to get this all set up, and I will be showing you very soon a plan with me on how I am going to set up the first week in the wellness planner, as well as my gratitude section. So I am so glad you were here with me today. Again, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. If you have any questions or you would like to check out getting one of these bad boys, I will link Erin Condren below. There is a way to get $10 if you haven't signed up already, and a way just to go directly to the product. So whichever one, these are just great. And there's different styles and covers that you can get. I obviously, my obsession. Look at that fly. Did anyone see that fly? Oh my gosh, it was huge. This is obviously, my color obsession about pretty much everything. So this one's called the Seafoam, but there's other colors as well. And there's lots of different types of planners that go in here. It's not just the ones I got. There's lots of different ones. There's even a daily planner if you just want to track your daily life. I obviously don't want to in this. This is completely separate from that. So, all right, everyone. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything that you saw today, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And again, if you want to check it out, links are in the description. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.